When you receive the connected spa kit, you're going to have the HNA, the SNA, and the connected spa kit installation manual. First, we'll go over the SNA. This is the module that will go into the hot tub. The SNA transmitter will be connected into the hot tub, which we'll show you in just a minute. If you purchase the connected spa with the hot tub, the delivery crew may have installed this portion already. If they have, please move on to the HNA portion. It's important to keep the box with this serial number. You'll be using this later. There is one on the HNA and also on the SNA. The first thing you want to do to start installing your SNA is to take off the front panel of your hot tub, which I've already done. The second thing you want to do is to zip tie the SNA to the frame of the hot tub. It doesn't matter where you install the SNA as long as the cord is close enough to attach to the motherboard. Next, you want to find your 8-pin ports, which are located right here. If you take your cord, go up to the side, and then you just plug it into either one, it doesn't matter. If these two ports are taken, you will need an additional 5-port adapter. Once you get the SNA installed, the next thing you want to do is download the Hot Springs app, which can be accessed on iOS 13 or later, or Android 5.0 or later. The next screen is going to be creating a user ID. Just fill out the information as you see here. The next thing, you're going to verify your email by pressing in the passcode that you get sent. The next step will be entering all the information into your app. So hit the Get Started button. At this time, you're going to want to turn off your hot tub by turning off your breakers. During the setup process, you'll be asked to enter the hot tub serial number. This is located on the front control side towards the bottom of the hot tub. Now you're going to enter the spa's serial number, the HNA number, the SNA number, the date of installation, the spa name or nickname, country, address, city, state, and your zip code. Once you're done with that, hit submit. After that is complete, you're going to install the HNA in your home. This process takes up to about 5 minutes. Follow the instructions on the app and also the video that we are providing. The HNA is the home transmitter. The 3 components that you'll get in the box is the power cord, the transmitter, and the Ethernet cable. The first thing to do to connect your HNA is to insert the Ethernet cord and connect it to your main internet router. After you plug in your Ethernet, plug in the power supply to your nearest outlet. This prompt clarifies once the power is applied to both the HNA and SNA, the system will sync automatically. Once that's complete, press OK. After you get the HNA connected, you should see a solid green light for the power, a blinking light that indicates that you are connected to your spa, and a solid light that indicates that you're connected to the internet. This prompt is verifying that everything is connected. Once it is, press confirm. Hit confirm to continue to the next pages. On this screen, you're going to select the spa accessories that your hot tub has. In our case, we have the audio and the freshwater salt system. Once those are selected, press next. After that, you'll get this congratulations screen that your spa has been successfully set up. Once you get everything connected, you will see the nickname of your spa here. Right now we are in demo mode, so it says default spa 1. You'll have your temperature. You'll have all the icons with the products that you purchase, such as saltwater system, cool zone, music. You also see the lights and the jets, which we'll get into in a second. To change the temperature, you slide this dial to whatever temperature you'd like it to be. When you let go, it'll ask you to confirm. Press the confirm button, and now it'll be set to that temperature. To access your salt system, press the water droplet icon. This is where you can change the output level of your salt system. You can boost your salt system. You can test the salt. You can even see the level of salt on the meter. If you have the Cool Zone system installed in your hot tub, you can access it right here. And this is where you can select the different options. If you have the music system installed, press the musical note. This is where you can turn on or off your audio, and you can select between Bluetooth audio, wireless monitor, or auxiliary input. If you'd like to turn your jets on and off, press this key here. Depending on how many jets you have, it'll show up with the appropriate amount. Then you can put low or high on whichever jet pump that you have installed. This key will turn your lights on or off. If it's blue, they're on. If it's gray, they're off. To get to other spa tools, hit the cog on the bottom right. Under Spa Tools, you'll see Temperature Lock, Spa Lock, Filter Status, Clean Cycle, and Summer Timer. You can press this to turn them on or off. If you install or uninstall accessories, press the cog under Spa Accessories and select the ones that you want, or take ones off that you don't, and then hit Save. You can change your notification settings by pressing the cog down on the bottom, Notification Settings, and you can turn spa alerts on or off. If you'd like to have them on email or an in-app notification, and also turn on or off marketing and promotions. Under this menu, you can access other features. My Profile, you can change the name and the email and change your password. My Spas, you can change your default spa name and invite other spa users. My Users, you can see who can use the app. You can also add users. If you need any kind of app support, hit the Support tab, then you can email app support directly. If you'd like to see your terms and conditions, press this button here. If you'd like to see your most recent notifications, hit this button here. And if you want to go back to your main screen, hit the Home key.